This is J&J's Box Breaks. First time putting it up on YouTube. We got a couple Allen and Genters to open up, some random packs that we got, and a hit parade from thecardworld.com. So we're gonna go ahead and open them up. Let's start off with the random packs.
Go first.
Got a Topps Tribute World Baseball Classic from 2014.
Oh, these are cool looking.
We got, no clue who that guy is, Jose Fernandez, Spania, and Anthony Rizzo out of 25 jersey patch. Not too bad. Looks nice.
Somebody heard of too.
Nice looking card. Alright, and we'll go to the Topps 2015.
Spoiler on the back. Good card.
No. See what we got. Ian Kennedy. Mike Piazza, Gallery of the Greats.
That frame.
And a bunch of base.
Yeah.
So nothing really too good in that one.
Yeah, it's got a frame around it.
Alright, move on to the...
Yes, 2012 Panini. The Absolute Football. That's ain't doing no. I don't think any of these players are in the league anymore.
Yeah, a bunch
Except
of
for
base.
Fitzgerald. Yeah, another Carson Palmer. I think they're supposed to be parallels, like one every couple packs. Get this stuff open. They're out of the game for 8 years to figure out how to open packs. I was looking today, I think the last box I bought was the 06 or 07 Upper Deck Masterpiece. Hey, Ray Lewis. So, he's going to sign somewhere for like $30 million a year. Calvin Johnson. Waste of a draft pick. Yeah, Marks of Fame, DeMarco Murray. Regular insert. Sanchez. Go to Tom Brady. Last pack. Peyton Manning, Mike Wallace, Vic, Steve Johnson, Josh Gordon rookie card. That's probably worth. Oh wait,
No, that's not a rookie. Is it?
yeah, rookie.
Oh, sure is.
Number.
It's worth a bottle of booze and some weed.
$3.99. There goes the kid-friendly PG rating. All right, let's go with the Dave and Adam Card World Hit Parade. $10 pack. Get an autograph, a relic, and one other random insert.
Open it over here.
Pirates so far.
Will they give you a pirate pack?
Looks like it. Like a Garrett Cole rookie card from Bowman Sterling. Pretty nice. No thickness to it. A Zach McAllister sticker autograph from Bowman. 2010. Never heard of him. Oliver Perez patch. 182, 199. SP Authentic. 2005.